Good morning. I have been sharing with you a series on Savasana, our relaxation pose. This week in the Mindful Monday, I want to share with you how to come out of Savasana. I see it often in my classes that people find this great relaxation at the end of the class, and then they come up so fast and tight that they put the tension right back in their body. So I want to show you what I mean. Quite often I see people resting in Savasana, which is great, arms and legs open, relaxed. And then when they go to come out of Savasana, they use a lot of strain and momentum and they squeeze until they come all the way back up, which is okay, but you're kind of going right back into that state of tension and tightness. What I want to encourage you to do is when you're in Savasana, when it's time to come out, think of yourself almost like water and just slowly roll over onto the side and rest here for a few moments. And then extend the top leg, use the hands and just slowly take your body all the way back up. This is a way to come out of the pose that keeps more of that rest and relaxation in your body so that you can carry it into the rest of your day. It's important to take time for Savasana, to take time for rest and relaxation, and it's important how you come out of Savasana. Try it this week. Like or follow me for more tips and inspirations for living a mindful life. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.